Hi everyone, welcome to Raj Technologies. I am Rutwik Aathreya, the tech lead at Raj Technologies. Raj Technologies has come up with a new course, Learn AI in Telugu. This is an online course and it is the easiest way to learn artificial intelligence in our own language. In this course, you will learn ChatGPT and use it for making meal plans, letters, school applications, and business content, all in just minutes. And you can use Google Gemini for monthly budgets, festival savings plan, and for everyday tasks. We will also learn Canva AI and Adobe Firefly, which will help you to generate better images. Also, a bonus, you will learn how you can be safe from AI fake content and how you can earn from home and help your kids study. This course is for housewives who want to earn from home. It is also made for beginners with zero tech experience and teach you AI so you can understand it the right way. This course is also made for Telugu speakers who find English content difficult, mothers who want to help their children using AI, and women with ambitions who are ready to start something new. No English is needed for this course, no special education needed. If you can use WhatsApp, you can easily learn how you can use AI. In this course, you get 13 step-by-step videos. The full course will be in Telugu. It will be easy to follow and you will master 4 powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Canva and Adobe Firefly, which are all free tools. We will be discussing their free plans only. We will also show you the real-life demos, how you can use these tools to help yourself in your daily tasks. We will also show you how you can earn from home by doing freelancing works like content writing, designing, translation, etc. You can also learn how to stay safe online and protect your family from AI scams. And by the end of the course, you will also get a completion certificate to your email. In this course, the module 1 will be foundation. In that, we will learn what is AI, set up ChatGPT. Module 2 helps you to reduce your time searching for recipes, making meal plans or writing letters, and how you can make saving budgets. Third module is earn. In that, you learn how you can make captions for social media content, generate AI images, and also learn the basics on how you can start freelancing. The module 4 is to learn. You can use AI to help your kids study and translate content easily. And the module 5 helps you spot AI scams, deep fakes, so that you can stay safe online. And the bonus module will be a conclusion video. After finishing it, you will get your certificate mailed to you. After this course, you can easily make 7-day meal plans in under 10 seconds. You can write in English, school letters and bank emails in just minutes. You can design festival posters and WhatsApp status images. And you can do all this and easily earn 10K to 20K per month if you put enough effort. You can also help your kids to study by helping them solve homework and make them learn using AI. You can also protect your family, identify AI scams, and stay safe online. The original price of this course is $499. As a limited time launch offer, you can access this course at just rupees 199 only. Don't miss this offer. You will get 13 Telugu AI videos which you can learn to use AI, and you'll also get a completion certificate. You can join now. The link is in the description. And another great news, our website for Raj Technologies is now live, rajtechnologies.co, one platform where all the skills you need will be available. There are courses available for Core Java, Python, Full Stack Java, Web Technologies, and many other. And there are digital products like interview questions, programming booklets, video editing assets, and more. So don't miss out this. Every product on our page is now currently running a launch offer. So visit rajtechnologies.co today. Thank you everyone. Technology is for everyone, especially you. We believe in you that you can easily learn AI. This course was created with love and care, designed to help you grow, earn, and inspire your family. Join the course right now. The link is in the description below, and also visit our website for more useful information.